Hello friends, welcome to our Brutal Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about how can you install the Cloud Code and use it locally without any external model or without any local LLM. So it is completely through the API, and you can use the Cloud Code for free at the end of this video. So let's get started. Let me show you some benchmarks about so you can see that there are the different models that are quietly they are competing with the Opus models, and you can see that the Kimi model, you have heard about the Open Code, and you have also heard about the Mimo model, which is recently launched by the Xiaomi, which is now currently the open source for some models. So in this video, I am going to tell about how you can use the open Cloud Code in your VS Code uh, locally without any external local LLM or any other things. So it's very fast. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the CLI option. So simply you can copy the any of the button. If you are using the PowerShell, then use this command. If you are using in CMD, then copy the any of the command as per your OS. So simply click on the copy the command and simply search for the Opus and PowerShell and hit enter. And after hitting the paste the command and hit enter, and after that you can see that it will take some time. If it's depend on your internet, and it will install. So now you can see that it is installed. So what you have to do, simply copy the path from that cloud through the bin, and go in the file manager and simply paste that command there. And now you can see that the cloud.exe is here. Simply copy the command command C, and go search for the environment variable, and go environment variable, and start in the system variable, search for the path and double click on the path, and see if there is no if the path is not available, then simply you have to paste. I have in my PC system variable, it is already present, so I don't need to add it. So simply delete it and hit OK, and after that click on OK, and now the environment variable had been set. And now you can Cloud, and now Cloud the hyphen version. Now you can see the version that you have installed in your computer. Now simply close this, and now you have to open the Cloud VS Code. Open your VS Code and search for the and open the extension tab. Search for the Cloud. Hit on the Cloud, and after that extension from this is the extension from the Anthropic. So simply install this extension in your computer. I have already installed it. So simply now you have to do. Now I will give you a command in the description box. Simply you have to copy the command. And now one more thing, I am going to introduce about the Open Router. Simply search for the Open Router, and now this is the Open Router, and simply go on the Open Router. And now Open Router is a website which provides you the API keys for the models and the LLMs. Now you can see that the featured model here in the Open Code model in the Open Router, you can see that there is a lot of models are present. You can use any of the model in your cloud. So simply what you have to do, simply go on the Open Router website and the get API key. After clicking on the get API key, simply I have already created a API key. You can simply create it from here. Now enter any name, and if you hit the create, it will create the API key. Now what you have to do, simply copy the API key, and now I will show you a command. I will give the command in the description box. You can simply copy it from that and use that command. So let me paste in the VS Code. So I have already copied it, so I am using it. So here is the command, and here is the model. You can change the model based on your need, and I have already copied the API key, and now simply hit the enter button. And after hitting the enter, simply type the Cloud, and after it will ask for the trust this folder. Yes, after hitting enter, now you can see that the OpenAI and the Claude interface has been opened. Now here you have to verify it is working or not. Simply type hey and hit enter. After hitting enter on the first time, it will take some time to restart, but once you started this, it will take very low time to start and run. Now here you can see that the hello, how can I help you today? How are you? Let me ask how are you. Here it will respond and I am doing great. Now you can see that it's clearly responding. Now if you want to use any for the voice coding or other, you can simply use it from the terminal. And let me tell you about one thing. After going on the open router, click on the open router, and here now you can see that the featured model. Click on the featured model and you can now search for the free. Here you search if you after searching for the free, you can use any of their models from there. Simply what you want to use Google this model, and simply copy you can see that the copy this name, and after copying this name, simply let me exit from there, and simply the command I have copied, simply you have to just rename the app, rename the Anthropic model name. After hitting it, you can enter it and now type Claude. And now after hitting enter, now you can see that the Google Gemma model is the model has been changed now. Now simply you can use now you can use this for your different type of projects and completely free, and you can use the Claude locally. So if you encounter any problem during the installation or this process, you can simply type in the comment box. I will respond it as soon as possible. So thank you.